Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and we are going to see after a single line how to represent in a plane on graph paper. It is now pair of straight lines. The first part there to see meaning of joint or combined equation of pair of lines. We know a single line can have such equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We also know this is called linear equation. This is also called first degree equation in x and y, and graphically such equation always represent a pair of line. Remember, if a line passes through origin, then its equation is simply of this type, means it not contain constant. So any line that passes through origin, something like this is x-axis, y-axis, this is origin, you know, and if it is this straight line passing through origin, there can be infinite lines passing through origin. They will have equation of this type. Remember, now what is mean by the joint or combined equation of two lines? If you multiply two equations, respectively their LHS, LHS and RHS, RHS, then you will get their joint equation. The next topic is homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. Joint equation is only multiplication. If you have such equation 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and second equation, suppose line passing through origin x plus y equal to 0, then this product 2x plus 3y plus 5 into x plus y equal to 0, this product will give their joint equation. Now what is mean by homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y? Remember, there is a term called homogeneous equation in mathematics, in which the sum of indices of x and y in every term equal, and if that sum is equal to 2, then it is called homogeneous equation of degree 2 or second degree in x and y. Such equation in general written of this type: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Can you see the sum of indices of x and y? This equation can also be written ax square into y raised to 0 plus 2h into x raised to 1 y raised to 1 plus by square can be written something like this, b into x raised to 0 plus into y raised to 0. Now if you find sum of indices of x and y, then it will be 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Sum of indices here of x and y, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Sum of indices of x and y here also equal to 2. So such equation called homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. Example: 2x square plus xy minus y square equal to 0. If you compare with that, then you will get this a equal to 2, this 2h equal to 1, and here this b equal to minus 1, something like this. Then joint equation of pair of lines passing through origin. If two straight lines pass through origin, then remember their joint equation will always come in this form. In this form means that is our homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. We take example, suppose one line has such equation, do you know, this passes through origin, and suppose another line has such equation x plus 3y equal to 0. And now we will find their joint equation. How to find joint equation? Their product equal to 0, something like this. Then if you solve bracket, then 2x into x, that is 2x square, 2x into 3y, that is 6xy, plus y into x, that is xy, and plus y into 3y, that is 3y square. You can add these two terms, therefore its equation will be 2x square plus 6xy c plus 3y square equal to 0. Can you see this equation is comparable with this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then we have the conditions for parallel and coincident line. For here parallel not possible, but perpendicular possible, because when lines pass through origin they will be intersecting, so no parallel, that perpendicular possible. If we have this equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then this is the condition for perpendicular lines, that is a plus b equal to 0, and this is the condition for coincident line h square equal to ab. So this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, for your information, it is the joint equation of pair of lines passing through origin It is also homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. Then there is one more topic that is called as auxiliary equation of pair of lines. If two lines pass through origin and suppose they have slopes m1 and m2, then the joint equation of their slopes is possible, that called as auxiliary equation, which is given by that I am writing here bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0, where these a, b and 2h, they are all from this homogeneous equation. Correct? Then we will have next topic called general equation of pair of line. This was the pair of lines joint equation passing through origin as well as homogeneous equation. If you want general equation of two lines, general means now not necessary pass through origin, then their joint equation is given by this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus this 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And remember, this equation not always represent pair of lines, but only represent pair of line if this condition satisfied, and that condition is this determinant I am writing now, first row ahg, second row hbf, last row this gfc equal to 0. If this determinant value 0, then and then only this equation represent pair of line. Here two lines can be parallel, here they can be perpendicular or coincident. Then condition for parallel lines is h square equal to ab, and condition for perpendicular, like in previous, a plus b equal to 0. Now for the lines passing through origin, if their joint equation we have already this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, that of this type, then acute angle between them is given by such formula tan theta is equal to mod of 2 square root h square minus ab upon this a plus b. Remember, this is the formula for not only this homogeneous equation of pair of lines, that is for the lines passing through origin their joint equation, but this is also for any two lines their joint equation, means general form also. And also it is required to remember, if the lines do not pass through origin, then their joint equation, as mentioned, general equation of pair of lines, and that is, I repeat, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. For these two equations, remember one thing, they have this coefficient of x square, y square and 2h, that is xy coefficient equal. If this represent pair of line, that always parallel to this pair of line that pass through origin. That is for the pair of lines in two dimension, and that's very important concept of the pair of lines. We consider two lines together, because single line equation everybody know, for two lines only their product equal to 0 if required to find, and if joint equation given, we can separate also them by some suitable method. Okay, thanks.